My name is Hatem Al-Hajeri. Welcome to the course Pricing Decisions. The objective of this course is to make you aware of how pricing works, whether you are a business manager, an entrepreneur, or a freelancer. In this course, you will learn what price means and why pricing is important. You will also learn what are the factors that impact pricing decisions, including the impacts of supply and demand on pricing, and how demand elasticity affect pricing decisions and revenues. And finally, you will learn what the main pricing strategies are. I really hope you have enjoyed this course and gained important insights and knowledge about the topic of pricing and how pricing decisions are made. Thank you very much. I wish you the best and see you soon.